So we have the main piece of the mount, the front edge clamp, 2 magnets, and the spacers. You're just going to remove your kickstand, put this in here, push down on the center part, snap it into the back of the dish, make sure it's seated right here. Then you have your 2 studs that are trapped. You're going to take the edge clamp, hook it over the studs, hook this over the edge, and then take your thumbs, press it on, take one spacer, take the other spacer, put those on, screw your magnet feet on. Just tighten them down, and that's it.